All right, my next guest looking for a massive year in the market, but he's also looking for fresh leadership. Let's bring in our stock market mentor founder, Dan Fitzpatrick. Dan, I love the fact that you like 8,100. That's what I'm talking about, my man. Don't be timid. Don't be timid.
Hell no, man. I want to be up there at the top.
That's right.
Yeah.
So when the history books are written, Dan wasn't timid. And let's talk about why, though. The Fed chair, that everyone's bringing up the next Fed chair. Yeah. What is it about that will be positive for the market?
Well, look, we all know Trump wants interest rates basically like negative, like the lower the better, right? Like let the money flow. So the Fed chairman, whoever he selects, is going to be that guy. Like we know that. That's what I see. But I do hear what they were saying earlier. You guys were talking about the jolts and all that. So who knows? Maybe they're going to have to raise. But from where we sit right here, like you can't worry about that stuff because you're just borrowing tomorrow's problems and looking at it today. So I think the Fed chair is going to be a really good catalyst. Also, midterm election, you know, he wants to juice everything. You were talking about that earlier. I think that it's really, really problematic to be trying to pick the top. You're basically just defining the wall of worry. And so we are at this point where you get a lot of top pickers, valuations, things are too stretched and things like that. And they just keep getting like stretched, just more and more stretched.
Right.
And so I just have to go with that and know that ultimately we're going to get a little bit of a correction. Maybe it'll be a big one, but it's going to be a buying opportunity. We've got all systems go in both technically and then fundamentally. These stocks like Micron, massive, I think it's like 280% growth in earnings are projected this year. Those are the types of things that are going to warrant these high valuations. These stocks are just going to
I did a town hall a few months back on longevity, right? And you know, folks are getting older and there's a lot of money to be made there. You've got a bunch of names in this space, assisted living, that you like here.
Yeah. The thing about this is just a demographics play. And it's also an AI play. That's really important. We've got octogenarians. I think of all the baby boomers over the next year, about 20% of them are due to become 80 years old, and that seems to be I'm
going to read off the names because we have a lot of folks who are listening. Ensign, Ian, SG, Welltower, Ventas, VTR, and CTRE. So just with less than 30 seconds to go here in the show, the main message you always push out there is stay the course. Stay the course and opportunities avail themselves.
Right. Well, these stocks in particular are really dovetailing into that because they're not on fire. They're all actually buyable right now. And by the nature of the beast, this is old folks stuff, right? They're not going to, these are not going to be parabolic, but you can get into any of these names and be confident that over the next year you're going to do well.
Good stuff, my man.
Thanks.
All right, folks, I'm out here in L.A. Liz Clayman is in Las Vegas. We're all over the place, Liz, but you got a good beat. What's going on?